Hi, I'm Marie and I teach how to paint realistic botanical and natural history subjects. Now, in order to get this holly looking realistic, I have to build it up in layers, continually adjusting the hue of my greens and how dark or light the tonal value of them is. So I can adjust the light value of my wash simply by adding more water to it, and then using it in a much more saturated consistency to keep the colours deep and rich. A realistic painting requires a lot of attention to fine detail as well, and then layering my washes over the top so that the detail settles into the background and looks very natural. When it comes to painting in the berries, the tonal value is even more important as I want to create a smooth, rounded surface here. And to create the rounded surface, I have to focus on the contrast between where the light is hitting the berry at its highest point and then gradually work through my red hues down into the darkest shadows where the berries overlap. I gain a lot of satisfaction watching a three-dimensional shape emerge off of a flat two-dimensional surface. This style of painting can really be a lot of fun. If you'd like to take the full tutorial, the link is below for my membership club, where you will also find many more watercolour tutorials using the same techniques. Please like and subscribe if you want to be kept up to date with my upcoming tips and technique videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now.